Students, I was teaching you about the parts of a paragraph and how many parts generally we write a paragraph. Such as a paragraph. What things are actually, what are the important aspects of writing a paragraph, such as unity, order, coherence, and completeness. These four were the aspects that you had to focus on writing a paragraph, while writing a paragraph. But actually, a student, to practice that, how you can write a paragraph. Basically, unity actually is unity among the sentences, but the main thing here is to focus here is actually in a paragraph. We generally how to start a paragraph. Starting paragraph actually is very important, because it tells you that you know which actually the starting line, the heading of the paragraph actually tells you the topic about which you are writing the paragraph. So actually, to practice that, you just whenever you are reading a story or anything in the book, just read that, and and into every paragraph, and to every paragraph of the story, just try to focus on the um, heading. What should be the heading or title of a paragraph. If you are reading a paragraph, just try to think that this paragraph is dealing with what, on what topic this paragraph has been written, and I give that to as a heading. Suppose you are reading a story, and in that story, the first paragraph of the story is the introduction to the character or introduction to the whole story. Then first paragraph is about, every paragraph deals with only one topic. So the topic on which one paragraph actually deals, you just try to name it. So you would get to know that this paragraph is about what topic, and this paragraph is about what topic. Every paragraph deals only in single topic. So actually, which paragraph is actually describing which topic, that's what you would get to know when you start giving headings of a paragraph. And actually, and that's because students, actually, the first sentence of a paragraph generally introduces you the topic, on what topic you are writing a paragraph. So that is why, the topic, theme, or subject of a paragraph is very often expressed in one sentence. The paragraph, generally the first sentence of this of a paragraph actually expressed, this paragraph is dealing with what topic, this paragraph is on what topic, what topic you are covering in that paragraph. That is actually generally expressed in the first sentence of the paragraph. And that is why that first sentence is actually known as the topical sentence of the paragraph, or actually key sentence of the paragraph, because that sentence is actually telling you the paragraph is dealing with what topic, this paragraph is about which topic. That sentence actually expressed, that is why that sentence is known as a topical sentence. And or we can also refer it as key sentence, because it unlocks or opens the subject to be dealt with in the paragraph. So actually, it tells you about what topic you are writing this paragraph. So student, you have understood unity, and then you have understand how you should start a paragraph. The starting line, the starting sentence of a paragraph, must express the theme or main topic of the paragraph. And to practice that, how you would practice, to you would start giving headings or subheadings to the paragraphs which you are reading in the story, which you are reading in your textbook. whichever story you are reading in a textbook, and the paragraphs that you are reading, try to find out that this paragraph is about which topic has been dealt with in this paragraph. Try to find out that. And generally you would get to know, even actually in the first sentence, just by reading the first sentence, you would get to know that this paragraph is dealing with what topic. So actually, when you start giving a name to a paragraph, that this paragraph is dealing with the eating behavior of the animal, this paragraph is actually describing the biology of that animal. So actually, you know every paragraph deals with only one topic, and when you will start giving the name of a paragraph, that in one word, which about which thing this paragraph is, then you would get to know how a paragraph is. Students, the second most important principle of writing a paragraph is actually the order. And what is the order here? Order is actually the order of sentence. As I told you, in one paragraph we only discuss about one sort of topic. So all the sentences that we write in one paragraph, all the sentences of a paragraph must be in a correct order, and must be in a correct order of according to what? According to a logical sequence. Everything that you want to mention and write in a paragraph, all those things should be in a proper order. Proper order means to say that they should be in an order of their occurrence, how the things has taken place. According to that occurrence, you will write every sentence of the paragraph. And then the thoughts and ideas that you want to that you are mentioning in the paragraph, that you are writing in the paragraph, they all should be logically connected. It's not that you have written something now and you will write something after that. And every incident that you are actually mentioning in the paragraph should be in correct order. Correct order. All the thoughts and ideas that you are expressing, this should be in correct order, and this should be arranged according to their importance also. Which suppose that if you are writing an essay about about my country, then what things are important in the first paragraph? As I told you, first paragraph should be the leading paragraph, and in the first paragraph, the first sentence of the paragraph actually is the title paragraph, that tells us that about what we are writing this paragraph. So in that paragraph you will mention everything in the correct order. All the sentences should be in correct order. And what you would mention the first, that the country where I live, India is my country. And after that, what is important? Delhi is the capital of India. You cannot write that India has 28 states before writing Delhi is the capital of India. There is a correct sequence of writing everything, and that you have to follow while writing a paragraph. It means to say that the order of sentences, the correct order of sentences. So the second most important thing is actually the correct order of sentences while writing a paragraph. Further, students, the two most important things that you need to keep in your mind are actually the first sentence of a paragraph and the last sentence of the paragraph. As I told you, the first sentence of the paragraph should be the title sentence, should be the topical sentence. The first sentence actually states the topic on which you are writing the paragraph, and the last sentence should be the conclusive sentence. That sentence is a conclusion. That sentence states a conclusion, or actually sum of everything. So actually it should the last sentence should end in a way that it actually ultimately concludes everything whatever you have mentioned, as you have learned by writing letters also and in stories also, we end everything on a note, on an ending note where we feel that this should be the final, then we cannot do or we cannot write anything after that. So that is the ending line. So ending line must be the ending line. It looks like that it is the ending and it is the right conclusion. And right conclusion means what? The proper conclusion means concluding something properly means, you are summing up everything that you are right that you have written in the paragraph, and the last sentence is a well chosen one to actually a well chosen sentence that can define the whole paragraph in a way, it can make you understand that now the paragraph is complete, now we will change the topic, now we will write something else. So actually, and the first sentence is also important to arouse the interest of the reader. It's all about when you are writing something, because you want someone to read your ideas, thoughts. Suppose you are a writer, you have become a writer in future, so you will have to write those stories which interest the reader, which make which would be interesting for reader. If you are a writer of a movie, and if you have not written a good story, the movie will not be a successful. So actually, that is why the first line, the first sentence should be and should arouse the interest of a reader. Means to say that this should just attract the attention just of the reader. Wow, there's something. You cannot start and end in an ordinary way. It's all about starting and ending properly, but also in a impressive way and attractive way and actually beautiful.